Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn 2 stories about flying together, step by step. Today we read 2 stories about flying. The first story, His First Flight by Liam O'Flaherty, is about a young seagull learning to fly. The second, The Black Aeroplane by Frederick Forsyth, is about a pilot helped by a mysterious plane in a storm. In the first story, a young seagull is too frightened to take his first flight. His parents and siblings fly off, leaving him alone and hungry on the ledge. When his mother brings food just out of reach, hunger makes him dive forward. To his joy, his wings open and he soars over the sea. In the second story, a pilot flying his old Dakota gets lost in thick storm clouds. His compass and radio fail. Suddenly, a mysterious black aeroplane appears and guides him safely to a runway. When he tries to thank the other pilot, he learns no other plane was seen on the radar that night. In the first story, the young seagull grows from a fearful bird into a confident flyer, helped by his clever parents. In the second, the narrator is an ordinary pilot whose courage and gratitude shine through, while the unknown pilot of the black plane remains a haunting mystery. Both stories share the theme of facing fear. The seagull learns that we can do hard things once we try. The pilot story adds a sense of mystery and wonder, suggesting that help can arrive when we least expect it. Together, they teach courage, confidence, and gratitude. Let us learn some new words. Ledge, a narrow shelf of rock. Soar, to fly high in the air. Compass, an instrument that shows direction. And loomed, appeared suddenly and large, often in a frightening way. To recap, in his first flight, a frightened seagull finally takes to the air. In The Black Aeroplane, a lost pilot is mysteriously guided to safety. Both tales celebrate courage in the face of fear and remind us that help can come in surprising ways. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.